Okay, we're ready to put the crank in this thing. Okay, we got the crank in it and it is torqued. Hey, I forgot to say, this is a 6-liter LS that we poured out to 6.2 liters. We're ready to put the pistons in. Hey, happy Tuesday. Let's assemble this thing. I have ARP Moly lube on these. What, got her again? You got me pretty low. All right, the rods are torqued. We're ready to put the trays and lifters in it and the heads on it. Say, this guy bought a damper from TrickFlow as a kit. So it has this deal that fits in here. The instructions said to press these out, which we did, press, and then put these in it. Well, they don't fit. They don't fit in the holes. So we put a call into them and they said they had an issue with them. They're going to send us another one. The customer could put this on later. So we bought some Brian Tooley overpriced lifter trays. I don't know what he paid for them. And some genuine GM bow tie lifters. These are very expensive. So let me get these in. David actually called TrickFlow and they found out about the issue already and they pulled them all from their shelves. So if you have some of these hanging around your garage, I'm talking about that tensioner, by the way, contact them and they'll send you a replacement. Okay, so I just use regular oil here. Roll that. So this is the last one. The slots have to be this way. Now the tray goes in. This keeps them aligned. You don't want them to spin. They're rollers. Not like a flat tappet where you... And it's got a bolt. And I put it on upside down. Now the lifters are going to try to come out. Hang on.
Yeah.
Now I got to line it up again. There we go. See, that's centered on that bolt hole. It wasn't centered before. Then it has this little fastener. And I don't have a socket. So these have like a little limiter in them that keeps you from breaking that plastic. And you want to be sure to torque these. Click. All right, we're ready to put the heads on, but look who showed up.
What is it, Bear? I thought you were sleeping. You weren't sleeping? Okay, that's it.
I thought that was it.
What are you doing? You gotta get these heads on, okay? Alright, now that's it.
Oh, he changed his mind.
What are you doing?
So we spray these gaskets with Permatex. This stuff.
you call a big jumbo tube. Look at what my dad has in his hand. To see it.
Ain't my hand.
Yeah, to see yours. Okay, I was trying to get him to show the difference. It's like a jumbo.
Okay, mine's little. There you go. That's as far as we take them. We don't put any tinware on. Hey, these have upgraded rocker arms and an upgraded barbell with the double O-ring. Should run great. Hey, thanks for coming along on this Tuesday, you guys. You guys come back and see me again, all right? Be nice to each other, please. Bye.